Let me show you how you can create this shape in the shortest time. First, place the spheres randomly. Press Shift A and create a cube. Resize the cube so that all the spheres fit inside. Go to Edit mode, right-click and add subdivision. Select all the spheres, right-click and join. Select the cube, go to the Modifier tab, and add Shrink Wrap. Choose the target and then select the spheres. Increase the offset value to bring the cover onto the spheres. Apply the Shrink Wrap modifier. Go to the Modifier tab and add Multi-Resolution. Go to Sculpt mode and use the brushes to edit the cover around the spheres. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.